Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Tintin and I've been working with Royal Caribbean for almost a decade in the bar department. And during those years on board, I've seen all kinds of things, hardworking people, funny moments, and of course, crew members who've mastered the art of making extra money at sea. Because let's be honest, cruise ship salary is good, but it's not always enough, especially when you're supporting family back home or saving for something big. So crew members get creative, and when I say creative, I mean really creative. Today, I'll share some of the most common and clever side hustles crew members do on board, from cleaning cabins to cutting hair, buying groceries, and even giving messages. Let's dive in. The room cleaners. All right, let's start with one of the oldest and most reliable side hustles, cleaning other crew members' cabins. Picture this, you've just finished a 12-hour shift, you're dead tired, your uniform soaked in sweat, and all you want is to sleep. Then someone knocks and say, "Hey bro, want to clean your room for $20? I'll even fold your laundry." You hesitate for a second, then think, you know what? Take my money. Some crew members do this regularly. They clean 5 to 6 cabins a week. That's an extra $100 to $150. It's honest work and both sides win. You rest, they hustle, everyone's happy. The crew barber. Now this one is legendary. The crew barbers. Every ship has that one guy who's famous for giving fresh fades, clean cuts, and even color touch-up right in his cabin. He brings his tools, hangs a towel by the door, and boom, instant salon. A haircut usually costs $10, but the best ones, they can have a line of 10 people per night. That's $100 in one evening. And it's not just barbers. Some crew do eyebrow threading, nails, and even makeup services for crew events. And just like that, they're booked every week. Laundry and ironing service. Next up, the Iron Master. If you ever work on board, you know how much we hate ironing those thick uniforms after a long day. So some crew found a business idea. They offer ironing and laundry service for $5 to $10 per uniform. And trust me, it's worth it. You drop your clothes off, go to sleep, and the next morning, it's pressed, folded, and ready to wear. They usually iron while watching a movie or chatting with cabin mates. It's simple, but steady money, especially for those who enjoy keeping things neat and organized. The grocery runner. Now this one's really interesting and super helpful. The grocery runner. During embarkation day, everyone's busy. Some crew cannot leave the ship because of duty or drills. So others take the chance to earn extra by offering to buy groceries or essentials for those who cannot go ashore. Crew members give them a list like snacks, toothpaste, chips, instant noodles, maybe even local SIM cards, and then pay them a small fee or a tip when they deliver. It saves time, and the grocery runners still enjoy some shore leave while earning extra. It's one of those side hustles that only helps you financially but also builds connection with your shipmates. The crew masseur. And here's one of the most relaxing side hustle you'll ever hear. Crew massage. After working 12 to 14 hours carrying trays or cleaning rooms, everyone's muscles are screaming. So some talented crew members offer shoulder or back massage for $10 per session. You often see a small note on the crew bulletin board or hear word of mouth, massage $10, cabin 3605, 30 minutes only. They bring lotion, soft music, and create peaceful vibe in their cabin. It's a win-win. The client gets relaxed and the massage earn extra. Some even build regular customers who book them every few days. Some crew sell snacks, phone accessories, or toiletries they buy in bulk for ports. Other help write resume, print documents, or edit photos for crew and charge a small fee. And a few talented ones even sell art, sketches, or handicrafts made from recycled materials on board. At the end of the day, life on board the cruise ship teaches you creativity and hustle. You realize that if you have a skill, no matter how small, you can turn it into extra income. Some of these side jobs start as favors, and next thing you know, it's paying for your Wi-Fi card, your next shore excursion, or even your family savings back home. Because the truth is, it's not just about how much you earn. It's about how you use your time, talent, and resourcefulness. So whether you're a future seafarer or already on board, always remember, if you have the hustle, there's always a way to make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow seafarers. Comment below what's the most creative side hustle you've seen on board. I'd love to hear your stories. See you on the next one. Stay safe, keep smiling, and keep hustling at sea.